Hello, this is Eric at Prince Shores Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by, I believe, a 3.5 liter V6 engine, providing you with decent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders as well as a 12-volt power outlet right there. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 137,770 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your little center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, trip odometer, trip timer, distance to empty, fuel economy. You have that for your trip 1 and 2. Then you have your fuel economy separately, driver assistance settings, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, and Bluetooth capable. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in on your hitch and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and then moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Very simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls, and then you have a little cubby beneath it. And on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet. Moving down, you have another 12-volt with your USB and this little compartment where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. And then looking at your column shifter, which does have your tow haul and sport mode button at the end of the stock for switching into your other drive modes. Moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And underneath that, you have another compartment for even more storage with some flip-out cup holders like so. Plenty of room in there. And you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.